In this video, we will set up PostgreSQL and pgadmin in your system. To create and connect to a database, we would need an SQL engine. And to write and run SQL queries, we need a graphical interface. Our SQL engine is going to be PostgreSQL and our graphical interface will be pgadmin. Both of these can be downloaded in a single package from the PostgreSQL website. So let us go to the website www.postgresql.org. Note that this is not .com, this is .org. Here you will find a download button. You have to click on this download button. You can see there are several packages for different operating systems. I'll be selecting the Windows option here. Other operating system people should download their respective setups. Although the process of installation is almost similar in all operating systems, still for Mac users, we will be attaching a separate document to give a walkthrough of Mac installation also. After clicking the Windows installer, I have reached this page. Here I'll click on the download the installer link here. You'll see that we have reached a different website. This website is enterprisedb.com, which is giving us the whole package. Here I'll be selecting the latest version for Windows 64-bit, which is now 12.3 version. If for some reason you want to work on older versions, those can be picked below. Another thing to note is the 64-bit and 32-bit version of the computers. Today a standard PC is 64-bit, but still there are some 32-bit computers in the market. So to confirm how many bits is your PC, you can right click on your computer and open the properties of this PC. Here you will be able to see the system type. For my PC it is 64-bit. So therefore I am correspondingly clicking on this download button, which is for the latest version and the 64-bit Windows system. Click on save file and the download has started. I'll skip the video to the end of this download. The installer is downloaded and now we can start the installation process. We have to double click on the downloaded file. We'll have to give the rights to the app to make the changes on this PC. This has opened up the installer. This is the default installation directory. I'm not changing it. If you want to change it, you can change it by clicking on this icon and browsing the folder that you want to install it in and clicking on next. These are the 4 parts that are coming in this package. We will keeping all the 4 parts. So I'll just click on next. This directory is the place where all the data will be stored by PostgreSQL. Just click on next. Now you have to select the password for accessing your database. Set up your password and remember this password so that while logging in, you are able to use this password to log in. So later on you will have to use this password. This is the default port. Just click on next. next, next. Installation has started. I am skipping right to the end of this installation. So the installation has finished. It is asking us to launch the Stack Builder. Stack Builder came with the PostgreSQL and pgadmin package, and it is used to install additional tools and application for PostgreSQL. We do not want to launch the Stack Builder now, so I'll just untick this and click on Finish. Now if I want to look at the graphical interface, which is the pgadmin, and I have to go to Start and search for pgadmin. This is pgadmin 4. This is what has been installed just now. You can see that pgadmin 4 starts in the default web browser. It is running on your local server, which is your own system. When it opens, it is asking you for the password. This is the same password that we entered while installing pgadmin. So just enter that same password. Now on the left hand side, you can see the option of servers. If you click on this icon, it will open up the different PostgreSQL versions on your PC. This is the older version that I had. Now this is the newer version that I have installed just now. Now we have to enter the password that we set during the PostgreSQL 12 installation. So this is the same password. Click on Save Password here so that you do not have to enter this password again. If your password is correct, you will see that this icon of connection changes. This cross means that this version is not connected, and this elephant icon means that this version is connected. On the right, you can see the performance of your server. We need not discuss this right now. Within this PostgreSQL 12, you can see databases. And here is a default database that was created. We will be creating a new database for our own working. If you click this drop down icon in schemas and then in public, you can see that here is the option of tables, that is the tables that are present in this particular database. So right now there are no tables in the Postgres database. When we create a new database, we will be creating tables also in that database. We will create 3 different tables for customers, products and sales transactions. And within each table, we will add and delete several records. All that we will be doing using SQL. And if you are wondering where to write the SQL queries, you can just right click on the Postgres database and click on this query tool. Now on the right side, this is where you will be writing the queries. And when you run the query, the output of that query will be shown in this window. So in the coming videos, we will start writing the queries and running them also.